Don't kill me. Come on, camera, turn around. I'm deaf. Cross off. I didn't even see what killed me. Yeah, come down. Shoot it, shoot it. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Thanks for shooting it. So, what the fuck are you? Whoa! Don't shoot on me, I'm the good guy. What the fuck? Explosions everywhere. Confusing. Run, run, run. Yeah, die, stupid robot. Ah, and that one. Zoom. Yeah, 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 yeah. And I think we're gonna put them there. And you have to go there. And this I have to turn around. Yeah, not this one. Not this one. Maybe... No. What the fuck? I don't have any idea. I hate these riddles. So, there, this one is there and there. Maybe... No, that is blocked. This could work. No, it won't. And that won't work too. Come on, turn. No, wait. So. Man, I'm lost again. No. Yeah, now we got it. Just takes hours, but hey. La 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 la. I get some balls. Balls, balls, balls. Kill it. Kill the stupid box. And do we have 2000? Yes, new info bot. I'm coming. Oh, fly, fly, fly. Where do I go? There, I think. Yeah, yeah. Go faster. How long do we play? I don't know. I just play on.
Thanks a bunch. Good luck saving the galaxy or whatever.
Yeah. Good luck.
Greetings, Supreme Executive Chairman Drek. As you can see, we're about to test our newest automated pilot's helmet. This helmet allows pilots to control our latest high-tech fighters using only their thoughts. Please enjoy the demonstration.
BAMM backwards. I knew it.
We still have a few minor adjustments to make.
Yeah. At least the helm didn't break.
If they ever get the kinks worked out of that thing, I have got to get me one of those.
If they are working for Chairman Drek, they may know where he is.
Is
Yeah.
that all you can think about? Drek this and Drek that? I got my own problems.
If you cannot see the importance of this situation, you do have problems.
Yeah? Well, if you're so smart, how come you fell for Quark's stupid trick? Ah, forget it. We both need to get to this planet, and that's all that matters.
Yeah. So beam us back. Let's kick some ass. Right. Thingy. So, what are we gonna do? There we were. Can we go up there? Yeah. Man, I remember everything. No, not. Oh, fuck! And get that one out. Thanks for killing. So, then what was the point in this killing? I don't know. Of course. Oh, there's a gold board! I wanna get it! Can't fly up there, thanks. And now we're gonna... Can we jump? I don't know. I don't think so. Oh yeah, I remember. Can't do it. Jump. Yeah! So, we got the gold ball, and you're not. Get our weapons out. Whoa! Thanks, bitch. So, something important. Who the hell are you? So quick select. We're gonna don't need that. Yeah, let's play with our new gadget. Boom, bitch. And I think, yeah, I remember something special here. Dun 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 dun. Thanks, bitch. Yeah. Yeah, just die. What's down there? I think we have to go there. Don't run away. Ha 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 ha, die, bitch. Die, 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 die. Yeah, come on, thanks. Round and round and round and round and round. And what's here? I know, we're coming back here. We glitched down there. Is glitching even a word? I don't know. Something special here. No. That was stupid. Yeah. Run, 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 run. Jump, jump. Up there. Come on. Stupid Ratchet. Run, 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 run. Faster. Whoa, stupid tank. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm gonna kick your ass. You don't even... So, got enough? I think so. Or not? Yeah. Get him. Senseless. What the fuck are you?